Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour of Tesla's American factory where their supercars come to life. Get ready to dive into the future of electric vehicles. First up, let's step into the heart of the factory, the assembly line. This is where the magic happens. Imagine robots and humans working in perfect harmony to piece together the world's most advanced EVs. Every Tesla starts its life as a simple sheet of aluminum, but by the end of the line it's a high-performance supercar ready to hit the road. Now let's talk about the stamping process. Massive presses shape the aluminum sheets into the various parts of the car's body. These machines are precise, powerful, and quite frankly massive. It's like watching a mechanical ballet, each press hitting its mark with perfect timing. Next, the body shop. Here, robots take over to weld and assemble the car's frame. Sparks fly as these robotic arms move with incredible speed and accuracy. It's a sight to see, and it's all about ensuring the highest quality and safety standards. Moving on, we hit the paint shop. This is where each Tesla gets its sleek, glossy finish. The process is completely automated to avoid any imperfections. Imagine a symphony of robotic arms, each one adding layers of paint with pinpoint precision. The result? A flawless finish that's built to last. Now let's check out the general assembly line. This is where everything comes together. The interior, the electronics, the battery, all installed with meticulous care. It's fascinating to see how every component, from the seats to the touchscreen, finds its place. Workers and robots collaborate seamlessly, ensuring each Tesla meets stringent quality checks. And speaking of batteries, let's not forget the battery assembly section. This is Tesla's crown jewel. The Gigafactory right next door churns out the batteries that power these beasts. Every battery pack is carefully tested and installed, ensuring maximum efficiency and performance. Finally, the last stop, quality control. Every Tesla undergoes rigorous testing before it leaves the factory. From software diagnostics to road tests, no detail is overlooked. Tesla's commitment to quality is evident in every step of the process. There you have it, folks. A peek inside Tesla's American factory where innovation meets precision. It's a testament to what's possible when cutting-edge technology and human ingenuity come together. So next time you see a Tesla on the road, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive